So today I'm just gonna drive probably one of the stupidest vehicles I have. Yep. Its name is Black Widow. Yes, I named it. I don't know why, I just did. It has massive tires. It's a mud vehicle. And, yeah, it's just probably one of the stupidest vehicles I've ever made here in Off-Road Outlaws. It took about $100,000, around that much money to completely make it, and I'm doing wheelies. Yeah, so let's take it for a ride, and yeah. Alright, and that's not supposed to happen, nor is that. Would you looky there? Oh, crap. The only real downside about this thing, besides all the hate I get on it because of how stupid and ugly it is the fact that, yeah, it's a little bit hard to steer. Yep. It is not the easiest to steer, especially in the mud. And also, right when you get out of it. So, yeah, let's go do some rock crawling and see if this thing can rock climb. Alright, we're getting to our destination. Alright, that's probably not gonna work, because the fact that this thing is not tall enough to do that. Alright, well, let's see if this thing can indeed rock climb. I'm gonna try something easy because, okay, well, 1 second. Alright, I am back, and let's see if we can take this thing over the rocks and see if it will actually work. Damn. Alright, so we're gonna go down. If I can get on the rocks, and I just flipped it. That's not good. Very realistic driving, for sure. All sarcasm, if you guys did not tell. Oh god, no! Yep, that's me. Alright, I'm back. So, this thing, yeah, I don't think it was rock crawling very well. It can climb pretty well, and it also backflips pretty severely. Oh god, no, oh, that was a bad idea. Sorry if the sound isn't on. I forgot to turn it on before recording, so yeah. Come on. Yes. Holy crap. We're all good. We're all good. As I hit the rock. No, 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 no! Oh my god. Well, oh god. Well, I guess there's not much to do than go back to the shop and show you guys, about this vehicle. Alright, so we're back, and it's fully maxed out. Grip, weight, durability, all of that. It is a gas. Wait, yeah, it's a gas. Completely maxed out everything, basically. Did not install any brake yet. Kind of a bad idea. for tuning. Let's see how much horsepower it has. Not too bad. 1,240, I believe. Flex is pretty bad. That's not, yeah, it's pretty bad. But it's for flooding. So, I used a normal config, the solid axle, instead of monster truck axle, which is right here, or monster truck suspension, sorry. Yeah. Pretty much everything on it besides the engine is stock, besides the decals. And yeah, this is pretty much all I put on it. And we have that, and that, and that. So yeah, I actually do kind of like the look of this truck. The only problem is it's extremely ugly. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy the video. Again, let's go for a drive. You can do it. So if it looks like this vehicle doesn't do very well in the mud, that's mainly because Off-Road Outlaws makes it to where even if you have a fully customized truck, it's still going to be pretty bad in the mud. But hey, not every game can be perfect. Alright, and we'll finish off the video by seeing if this thing can somehow make it up this map. Sorry, accidentally. Recording cut out, I'm sorry. Let's see if this thing can make it up this massive hill. Yeah, I think it's safe to say this thing might not make it up. But let's try it. Alright, it's in four-wheel drive, and just so it doesn't really overspeed and try to flip over, I'm going to put it in low. Oh boy. It's definitely, yep, as expected. Oh god. So now that we're about 5 miles away from the hill, let's see if we can retry and see if this thing will go up. Oh god, come on. So I'm thinking what I might be able to do is go up this way, possibly, probably not. Oh god, oh, I'm gonna flip. Oh no, I did not think that through very well. Or we can try this way. Yep, that's the wrong way. God. Alright, I'll see you guys once I actually get up to the part where I can start going up. Alright, let's see if this will work. Oh god. No, no! Oh god, no, no, no. Ah, dang it! Well, there's your answer, folks. It can't at all. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick to mudding with this thing. So, yeah. So, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. And I just want to ask you all to please subscribe to get me to 50 subscribers by the end of 2023. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.